Hi, my name is David Held. I've been in technology education for about 25 years as a director of technology at various schools and also as a technology integrator in the schools. My main focus, since my background is an artist, is to teach kids how to use technology in a creative way, that technology can be a creative act. And so I started a makerspace a couple of years ago and teach art and technology courses. And there I teach them about microcomputer controllers and different electronics that are used as inputs, some that are used as outputs. And we build things. So we might do an interactive dance, an interactive sculpture. And so what I try to tell the kids is that in the act of making, what you're doing, you're building something physical, and that's the instrument. And that the software that you write is the compositional tool for that instrument. We've done a few things like here's a Nightlight that was 3D printed by a student, and the assignment was to create something and use and think about shadows that it might cast. And so they designed a 3D printed object, how to put a button on it, and when they press the button, there's different states of light. So there was only, the requirement was you had to have it all on, and an on-off state, but then in between you could do other things. So you might get flashing lights and things like that. So this was one project that was done at the school. Another project that was done was this another light project in which it has a microphone built in, and depending on how loud the sound is in the room, it gets redder and moves around the circle faster. So if it's quiet, it turns green, and as you talk louder and louder, it gets redder and moves around faster and faster. And the last piece I'm going to show you is this, we call a brain massager. It's made out of about 15 vibration motors that are found in cell phones, and it's on a brain monitor cap. And you put it on your head, and the different vibration motors will massage different parts of your head. And when it's turned on, there's different software patterns to make it move around your head in different ways. So these are some of the instruments that the kids have built, and to show their creativity in the uses of technology.